Okay, and what we got up on the workbench today is this. I believe it says Kato on it. Or something. I can't even read what that says. Made in Japan. Total rebuild on this guy. And he is so greasy. There is so much grease coming out of this thing. It's crazy. So we're going to do total rebuild. Plus, he's really dirty. He's been around for a long time. We got to get him dusted up. He's got a lot of dust on him. Fix that. Totally rebuild him. Put him back together and get him back in service. So let's see if we can get him apart. I know this guy comes off right away. Alright, let's pull out a tape roll. Let's go ahead and remove some couplers. We'll take the couplers out. It looks like this is going to be one of those where the couplers hold on the shell. And actually that's kind of my favorite way, because the couplers are mounted to the body, but they go through the pilot of the shell and they hold them in place. That guy's a tough one. He's a tight one in there. Okay. Let's get the other guy. And we'll find out what's under the hood. Hopefully this is nothing more than just a straight up rebuild. We'll pull that guy out. Okay. Now, did we get a shell to come off? We did indeedly. Oh yes, and we don't have to go upstairs with anything. Okay, good. Now the shell can get set aside, and we'll do some cleaning on that later. Okay, what do we got in here? We got a DSR. Yes, we do. We've got a NCE DASR. All right. This, I think this will be a really nice, straightforward. I hope this one is. After fighting that B23-7, we need a guy here who just needs a good service and we'll unsolder him. I think we'll replace these wires and color code them. Make it nice and easy. I'm curious why there's no lights on this thing. Maybe we'll get crazy. If this thing turns out to be really easy, we might just get crazy and add lights. I don't know. We'll see what we can do. There's a bunch of tape on here. Oh, there's some solder wires together too. All right. So now, what will be the easy way? You got these end pieces here that make it a little tough to get in there. Holy crap, is this thing greasy. This guy is just like grease everywhere. Alright, how are we going to do this? Well, one, we got to get this lid off. We are not getting in there any way like that, are we? No, we are not. And he's got a pintle, so we have to figure out how we can release him. Maybe we can come in from underneath. Maybe yes. Looks like that is a possibility. Sort of. Kinda. Okay. But as you know, these are usually doubles. So if we can get him in from that side, now let's see if we can get in from this side. We can get in there, and we did. I'll pop this guy off, I think. Maybe. He doesn't want to go. He's got so much grease on him. No matter what you do, he slips right back in place, doesn't he? Aha, maybe. Come on now. I know you can do it. Alright, that guy's... Oh, we got one more little thing here. Get that guy. Come on. Get out of there. We need another flat guy. Yeah, there we go. All right, he's out. He's so greasy. Let's start making our baskets, okay? Put together our baskets. There, now let's pluck the worm. He's gonna go in a small basket. Worm's going in here. Okay, truck out. All right, now this guy. He's gonna be another one. Ready to double. Go through. Go double over here and go through. There we go. He's out in. Pluck his worm. Okay. These are going in the ultrasonic cleaner. Okay. And one of the reasons why it's hard to come out is they have a pintle right there, which is a good thing. You want a pintle and you want it held on by those covers. Okay, now this guy, I already know how he comes out. He's got 2 screws on the bottom. So let's take a screwdriver. Since we can't release the motor. Let's find out how he's isolated in here. Let's see if we can't get that fuel tank off. Is it a 2-part job? Yeah, it is. We'll get to him in a second. Let's see if this guy just comes out like he's supposed to. Sweet. We can work. We can tune up the motor. Let's get this tape off of here. And this guy's kind of dirty. So he's getting cleaned also. Now he's got a 2-part fuel tank. See that little notch right there, you see him? One on each side. Now, the trick with these guys is I got to get in there, and this flat blade might be just too little. Oh no, nope, he was just right. Okay. Fuel tank released. He definitely needs a cleaning. Then we got under frame. Now this guy doesn't need too much of a cleaning, but I'm going to, one of the things I know I'm going to do, well, first let's check him. Let's see if he has to be milled at all. He looks pretty decent. We could probably do a little shaving off right here and here. But he's going to get washed up, and then we'll paint the inside a light color, and then the bottom side will be black. Okay, there he is. Now, trucks. Oh, yes. Yes, yes. These are the kind where the side frames are locked in by this bottom plate. So, where's the release for this bottom plate guy? Yep, it's going to be on the side. All this grease always makes me... Okay, it's got wire holders too. But all this grease in here often makes these releases brittle. And that we don't want. So let's get a little screwdriver. Let's get a pair of them. Oh, great. A pair of the ones we don't want. Let's get another one. Okay. So there's 2 releases, one on each side. And they will keep slipping back on as you keep on undoing them. They're going to keep going back on. But eventually you're going to go around the world and off he comes. And then his side frames should pull right out, and they do. And then these guys come out. Whether or not they're directional, I don't know. We'll find out when we put them back together, but let's get rid of that wire. We don't need him. Oh, he's not even wired on there. He's just clipped on there. Okay, now that's a no-go. We don't want that. We want him soldered on there. We can do a way better job. And there is. I'm surprised. Well, I didn't check if this thing picks up any power at all. It probably doesn't. And these guys, yeah. Okay, then you got your gear tower. Now for this one, this is a pretty open gear tower, and I found it's screwed together. We can leave it and clean it just like this. We don't have to go through any of the other trouble, and we can clean him just like he is. And in he goes. In go the wheels. Okay, then we'll do the other one. He's missing one release. Right? Yep. Oh, he's missing two of them are broke off. That's not good. You don't like that. Okay, then, wow, this guy, he is really dirty. He is terribly dirty. Okay, I'm going to clean him just like that. Okay, everybody's ready to go into the cleaner, and then once he's cleaned up, we can get to work on him.